Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD in its daily weather briefing program of 10th November 2021. So in this briefing we will discuss about past 24 hours realized rainfall, synoptic systems and weather warnings for next 5 days. So let us begin with this slide. Here we can see that uh, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal Meteorological Subdivision reported extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places. Here we have given district-wise significant rainfall. For example, in Nagapattinam district, one of the stations reported Thirupundi reported 31 centimeter, Nagapattinam reported 29 centimeter, Vedar reported 25 centimeter. In Karaikal 29 centimeter, and similarly you can see that at isolated places extremely heavy rainfall has been realized over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal Met subdivision. So these are the satellite imagery, and we have also given here synoptic systems. So we can see that here we have two low pressure area, one here over Arabian Sea and another over this nowadays well marked low pressure area over central parts of South Bay of Bengal as per the analysis of 8:30 hours IST. Yesterday, this was the low pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal, and then further moved westward, and now lies as a well-marked low pressure area over central parts of South Bay of Bengal, and it is very likely to concentrate into a depression over southwest Bay of Bengal during next 12 hours, and move west northwestwards and reach near North Tamil Nadu coast by the early morning of 11th November 2021. So thereafter it is likely to continue to move west-northwestwards and cross North Tamil Nadu and adjoining South Andhra Pradesh coast between Karaikal and Sriharikota around Kodalur by the evening of 11th November 2021. So this is the situation of this low pressure area and its forecast. So we can see that it is likely to concentrate into a depression during next 12 hours. Here we have also written the same statement. And as far as this rainfall warning, here we have in text format. In on 10th November, that is today, we can say that light to moderate rainfall at most places, with heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places, and extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 20 centimeter at isolated places, very likely over north coastal Tamil Nadu, north interior Tamil Nadu, south coastal Andhra Pradesh, and heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely at isolated places over Rayalaseema. As far as tomorrow 11th November is concerned, the same episode likely to continue with light to moderate rainfall at most places, with heavy to very heavy rainfall at a few places, and extremely heavy falls at isolated places over north coastal Tamil Nadu, north interior Tamil Nadu, south coastal Andhra Pradesh, and Rayalaseema. And heavy to very heavy rainfall also likely over south interior Karnataka on 11th November 2021. As far as this wind warning is concerned, Iskwali wind speed reaching 45 to 55, gusting to 65 kmph, likely to prevail over southwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar, and along and off Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, and South Andhra Pradesh coast during 10th to 11th November 2021. So, accordingly, fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas like southwest and adjoining west central Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar, along and off Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, South Andhra Pradesh coast during 10 and 11 November 2021. We will see this description in a pictorial format also in forthcoming slides. So this is the district-wise weather rainfall warning for our Tamil Nadu. We can see that this northern parts of the Tamil Nadu likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall. That is these districts like Ranipet, Tiruvallur, Kanchipuram, and this Bellupuram, Kodalur, and these are the pockets for this. These warning issued and valid up to 8:30 hours IST of 11th November 2021. So in summary, we can see that as already told that on 10th November, extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places and very heavy rainfall at a few places very likely over north coastal Tamil Nadu, north interior Tamil Nadu both. And as far as this 11th November warning are concerned, so we can see that these are the pockets where a very heavy to extremely heavy rainfall is likely over the districts of Tamil Nadu. So as a summary, we can see that on 11th November as well, this extremely heavy and very heavy rainfall is very likely over north coastal and north interior Tamil Nadu. And this episode will reduce on 12th November 2021 when only heavy rainfall at isolated places likely over this Tamil Nadu. And these are the weather warnings for today and tomorrow for coastal Andhra Pradesh. Here we can see that southern parts of this coastal Andhra Pradesh districts like Prakasam and Nellore districts, where this extremely heavy rainfall is expected on today and as well as tomorrow as well. And these adjoining districts like YSR district and Chittoor districts, where very heavy rainfall is likely on 10th, and Anantapuram district, where very heavy rainfall is likely on 11th. And as far as this extremely heavy rainfall over these districts, YSR and Chittoor, so this is again we can see that rainfall is likely to uh, extremely heavy rainfall on these districts as well. So on 11th, we can see that very heavy rainfall is likely over Guntur and Anantapuram districts, and extremely heavy rainfall likely over Prakasam, Nellore, YSR, and Chittoor districts. And other districts like this Godavari and Krishna districts, and this Guntur districts and Kurnool districts, where there is a possibility of heavy rainfall on 10th and 11th. So as already in text format I have already told, this is the pictorial format where fisherman warning has been issued, and fishermen warning are advised not to venture into these areas. As far as day one is concerned, we are again repeating this West Central, Southwest Bay of Bengal, and West Central, Tamil Nadu, South Andhra Pradesh, Puducherry, and Gulf of Mannar. These are the pockets where fishermen are advised not to venture on 10th and 11th. And again, under the likely formation of a fresh low pressure area over southern Mansi and neighborhood around 13th. So fisherman warning has been issued for this. On 14th, we can see that this South Andaman Sea, where Isquali weather 40 to 50 gusting to 60 kmp is likely. So accordingly, for this 14th and 15th, fisherman warning has been issued for 13th and 14th over South Andaman Sea. And this warning is soon valid up to 6 UTC of 15, and this warning valid up to 6 UTC of 14th. So we can in summary during 13 to 15, this fisherman warning is issued for southern one sea on 14th, 13th, and on 14th this is again shifted to southeast Bay Bengal as well. So these are the fisherman warnings. So in summary again, we can say that these are the two pockets on 10th, 11th, where fishermen are advised not to venture, and again on 13 to 15, these are the pockets where fishermen are advised not to venture. So in summary, we can see that as far as 10th is concerned, this south coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema and North Tamil Nadu for 10th, where extremely heavy rainfall is expected at isolated places. And on 11th, this whole area like south coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and North Tamil Nadu, where extremely heavy rainfall likely, and very heavy rainfall over the south Indian Karnataka also likely on 11th. As far as this Kerala is concerned, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall on 11th, 12th, 13th and 14th over Kerala. And as far as this area, that is South Andhra Pradesh, South Coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu is concerned, on 12th, this episode likely to decrease. However, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema and Coastal Andhra Pradesh on 12th. And then on 13th, only heavy rainfall is expected over Tamil Nadu, 13th and 14th both. So this is the weather warning. As far as thunderstorm activity is concerned, a fresh episode of thunderstorm likely over this Odisha, Telangana, South Madhya Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa from 12, 13 and 14th. So in summary, we can see that on 12, 13 and 14th, there is a possibility of thunderstorm activity over this South Madhya Maharashtra, Konkan and Goa. And on 12th, there is a possibility of thunderstorm activity over Odisha. So these are the weather warning at subdivision scale. No other weather warning has been issued for rest part of the country. Thank you. It is recommended kindly visit our RSMC website, Mosam national website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in, and also it is requested to kindly download our different apps like Mosam app, Damini app, Meghdut app for regular updates. and it is also requested kindly see our videos uploading on our YouTube channel India Med Department, and also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you. We will meet again tomorrow.